Hi Rahul.
Hi, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir. What about you, sir?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking, Rahul. Yes, Rahul. Where are you from?
I'm from Warangal, sir.
Okay. And what is your education qualification?
Sir, I have completed bachelor's degree in the stream of Bachelor of Commerce from Master's degree in Peach College, Hanamkonda.
Okay, good to know that. And how do you know about SVC Training Institute?
So I know about SVC through Instagram. I saw one success story. Then I joined SVC Career Solution.
What did you learn from SVC during 2.5 months training?
I learned investment banking along with core accounting knowledge like corporate actions, derivatives, mutual funds, money market instruments, and in financial terminology, financial statements, balance sheet, and cash flow statements. And also, I improved my communication skills with the group discussions and job sessions.
Okay, Rahul. And share your interview experience.
Sir, I got a job in Wells Fargo. In Wells Fargo, there were two rounds. First one is HR and second one is operational round. In HR round, they checked only my communication. When it comes to operational round, they asked like 15 to 20 questions.
Okay. So they focused on accounting and investment banking knowledge
Yes, sir.
in the operational role.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good to know that. And when you are going to join?
Sir, I joined last week.
Okay. Congratulations and all the very best.
Thank you very much.